Hello and welcome to the Investing Iguana, where we help you make smart and informed decisions about your money. I'm your host, Iggy, and today we're going to talk about Keppel Corp Stock, one of the largest conglomerates in Singapore. Is this stock worth investing in? Is it undervalued by the market? Let's find out. Keppel Corp is a diversified company that operates in four main segments: energy and environment, urban development, connectivity, and asset management. It has a global presence in over 20 countries, with businesses ranging from offshore and marine engineering, property development and investment, telecommunications and data centers, logistics solutions, and fund management. Keppel Corp has been facing some headwinds in recent years due to the downturn in the oil and gas industry, which affected its core offshore and marine segment. The COVID-19 pandemic also impacted its urban development segment, as lockdowns and travel restrictions slowed down its property sales and projects in China and other markets. However, the company has been taking steps to transform its business model and focus on new growth areas such as renewable energy, green industrial space, data centers, and urban solutions. According to DBS Group research, Keppel Corp is an undervalued gem that offers investors a unique and unrivaled proposition as a global asset manager with developer and operator capabilities in real estate and green industrial space. DBS reinstated coverage on Keppel Corp with a buy call and a bullish target price of $8.30, up some 40% from current levels. DBS believes that Keppel Corp's asset management business is underappreciated by the market, as it generates stable recurring income from its portfolio of listed real estate investment trusts, REITs, and business trusts, BTs, as well as private funds. DBS also expects Keppel Corp's urban development segment to benefit from China's easing market conditions and policy support to the real estate sector, which would boost market sentiment and sales volume. On the other hand, some analysts are more cautious about Keppel Corp's prospects, as they see challenges in its offshore and marine segment amid low oil prices and weak demand for rigs and vessels. They also point out that Keppel Corp's earnings are volatile and dependent on fair value gains from its investment properties, which may not be sustainable in the long run. Moreover, Keppel Corp faces competition from other players in the sectors that it operates in, such as SimCorp Marine in offshore and marine engineering, Capitaland in property development and investment, Singtel in telecommunications and data centers, and Mapletree in logistics solutions. So what do I think about Keppel Corp stock? Well, I think it's a mixed bag. On one hand, I like that Keppel Corp has a diversified portfolio of businesses that can provide some resilience and growth potential in different market conditions. I also like that Keppel Corp has a strong balance sheet and cash flow generation that can support its dividend payments and investments. On the other hand, I'm concerned about the uncertainty and risks in its offshore and marine segment, which still accounts for a significant portion of its revenue and profit. I'm also not convinced that Keppel Corp's asset management business is fully valued by the market, as it may face margin pressure from fee compression and competition. Therefore, I would say that Keppel Corp stock is not a buy or a sell for me right now. It's more of a hold or a wait and see. I would like to see more evidence of recovery and growth in its offshore and marine segment before I jump into this stock. I would also like to see more clarity on its strategic direction and vision for the future. Keppel Corp has announced that it is conducting a comprehensive strategic review of its businesses to sharpen its focus and create sustainable value for shareholders. The outcome of this review is expected to be announced by the end of this year. I think this could be a catalyst for Keppel Corp stock if it reveals some positive changes or surprises. So there you have it, folks. That's my take on Keppel Corp stock. What do you think? Do you agree or disagree with me? Do you own or plan to buy this stock? Let me know in the comments below. That's all for today's episode of the Investing Iguana. I hope you learned something new and useful about Keppel Corporation. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and insights. We hope this video has been helpful and informative. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos on personal finance and investing. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future uploads. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below and we'll try our best to answer them. And if you have any suggestions for topics that you want us to cover in our next video, please let us know as well. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.